Okay, so we've got a cost question here, and you can see we've bought 8 pencils and 13 rulers. We're told the price of an individual pencil, but we don't know how much money we spent in total. So I think the first thing we do is we should find out how much the pencils cost. So we're going to do 8 times by 58 cents, aren't we? So let's write that down, I think, and then we take that away from how much money we spent in total, and that will tell us how much we spent on rulers, and then we can work out the cost of one ruler. There we go, so 8 pencils times by 0.58 cents, and that's going to equal, well, I can do it on my calculator, can't I? So 8 times by 0.58, and try to do it in my head. No, I'm not doing it in my head, I think I'll do it in my calculator. Let's get out of my bag. There we go. $4.64. Oops, I thought £4. $4, sorry. Right, so if we take that away from the 23 we spend, so 23 we spent altogether, okay, we can work out how much money we've got to spend on rulers. Okay, so 23.62 take away 4.64 means that we're going to spend $18.98 on rulers. Now apparently we've bought 13, so if I want to find the cost of one ruler, 13 rulers cost $18.98, and if I divide both sides by 13, I mean that is one ruler, it's going to cost 18.98 divided by 13, and then divided by 13, I'll put that on my calculator, and it should tell me the cost of one ruler. And the answer is 1.46. So it's $1.46. That's our answer. Okay, so that's part A done. Let's have a quick look at part B. Jorn has $15 to spend on pens. Each pen costs 0.62. He then buys as many pens as he can. Work out how much change he gets. So $15, and we're going to divide that by 0.62, aren't we? That will tell us how many whole pens he could buy. And presumably it's not going to be a nice number, because we're going to get some change. So $15 divided by 0.62, so it means we buy 24 whole pens and a little bit of a pen. So we can't obviously do that, but we can definitely get 24 pens. Okay, now we can find out the exact cost of 24 pens by working out 0.62 times by 24. That will tell me how much 24 pens cost. It should be very close to $15, but not quite $15, yeah? So 24 times by 0.62 equals $14.88, which means I would get, what, 12 cents change from my $15? So he gets 12 cents change, or $0.12 back. Okay, and there we have it. That's our answer for that. So let's have a little look at the examiner's report. So do pause and have a read of this. It looks quite a lot to read. But it certainly looks like this exam paper is getting harder now, doesn't it? I think there seems to be more mistakes being made now. Let's look to see how we did. So the mark scheme, $1.46 and 12 cents change, so we got it all right. Okay.